Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create amazing jack-o'-lantern jamboree animated characters from AtmosFX. You'll learn how to make the projected canvas, make them look fun during the day, and map them to your desired area. Don't forget to check the description for material links and also a 10% discount on AtmosFX media files. Let's get started. For the giant pumpkin projection screen, you can use an inexpensive tarp from Amazon. Ensure you buy it sized to the area you have to work with. You can use a marker to give yourself a reference point before cutting, and no need to worry about making them symmetrical. It will give them more character if they are different. For the stem, you can use your scrap material to mask before painting. I decided to use green paint to match my inflatable centerpiece, but feel free to use whatever color you like. Once you're happy with the look, we can now mount it to the house. I used durable outdoor double-sided tape around the entire edge of the tarp. It was spaced roughly every 4 inches. Start from the bottom and work your way up for a tight fit and ease of working with such a large tarp. I turned a regular inflatable pumpkin 180 degrees to hide the face and give myself a blank screen to project on. I recommend you to keep it ground level for stability and not have a massive fail like I did. Create facial features with cardboard or chloroplast easily found at hardware stores. Drill holes on the top of each piece for ease of hanging and removal. I found it helpful to use this type of transparent metal hooks. These have a large surface area which will allow for more durability, especially in heavier wind areas. As you can see, these hold up well and allow for a fun movement of facial features, something my kids really enjoyed. It's helpful to have a stand for the projector since you want it to maximize direct angle, but it's not necessary. Center as best as possible and we're ready to remove the facial features. For projection mapping, I always use LumaFusion on all my projects. And yes, any video editing software will work, including some free ones already on our phones. I used a regular jack-o'-lantern file from AtmosFX since it works better than the Hallusion file for this application. You will add it to your timeline and get ready for cropping and size adjustments into each projected area. As you can see here, I'm cropping each pumpkin using the same video file in order for all to be synchronized. This program allows you to copy-paste the file you were just working with, so I'm repeating this 2 more times while only adjusting the cropped area and position. Basically, you will do this exactly 3 times for each pumpkin you want to use. If you only have room for 2, then only 2 are needed, but if you need 100, the sky's the limit. Once you're happy with positioning and cropping, save the project onto a USB stick to replay in a loop on the projector. If you're sticking around, I'll show you how to add a background image, your house mapping, or video to make these pumpkins stand out more. And I'll also show you how to remove background for a cleaner look. You will grab the image you want to use and ensure it's at the bottom of the timeline, since it represents each layer of your video. Once your media is organized, you can click the edit button for the first pumpkin, then color and effects, and on the top right hand corner, you will click on the key icon, which is where your color keys are. You will choose what works best for you, but in this case, Dark Luma key works well. Make adjustments as necessary. Once you're happy with the background removal, you can repeat the process or go to copy for that pumpkin and paste attributes to the other 2.
Had a black cat that wouldn't leave his home. He tried and he tried to give the cat away. No matter how hard he tried, he always would say the black cat came back on Halloween Day.
Please enjoy one of my scenes featuring my house mapped and transformed into a haunted house. Stay tuned until the end for a sneak peek on how to use AI for your holiday decorations.
They thought he was a ghost, the black cat came back, he just couldn't stay away. Zombie going west. He said the cat is a present for the ghoul you love best. The zombie hopped on a train headed far out of town, but when they came to a stop, he was nowhere to be found. The black cat came back on Halloween Day. The black cat came back. They thought he was a ghost. The black cat came back. He just couldn't stay away.
And as promised, in my next video, I will demonstrate how to use AI for all your holiday decorating needs. Simply attach a picture of your house map and specify your desired look, and AI will take care of it in seconds. I encourage you to comment, provide feedback, or ask any questions you may have. Feel free to share, like, and subscribe, and don't forget to set alerts for upcoming exciting projects. Thank you guys for watching.